Hello my wonderful people. Hope you are all having a beautiful day. My name is O'Neill and welcome back to the Jamaican Canadian Family Channel. For those of you who have been a part of this channel for a while now, thank you guys. For those of you who are new to the channel, thank you all for your love and your support. Today guys, I am going to prepare a nice little dish for you all. This is my beef guys, and today I'm going to jerk some beef. This is how it is looking guys. You see how they are nice, and it's very good to jerk because it have the fat and it have the meat here, so it's very nice to jerk. I'm going to do it oven style, so let's get started guys. I'm just going to put some little punches in the beef, just because of the seasoning. When I pour my seasoning on it, I want my seasoning to really take hold inside out of the meat. So just some small punches. Okay, that's it. And guess what guys, we are going to make the jerk seasoning from scratch, so let's get it on. Okay guys, let's start cutting my seasoning before I blend. This is my thyme. This is bay leaf. This is pimento seed. This is sugar. That's 3 teaspoons of sugar. This is garlic. This is pimento leaf. Lime. And all my seasoning, they are washed already guys. That's my white onion, my red onion, and my regular onion. I'm going to blend this and add some more. My blender is small guys, so I have to blend and then add more seasonings. This is my scallion. This is my ginger. These are my peppers, but I'm not going heavy on the pepper guys, I'm going light. This is just a mild sauce, so I had my pepper. This is mint. This is browning. This is what you use and change the color. So I'm going to blend this and come back. Okay guys, that's how it is looking. This is Jamaican jerk seasoning, and this one is mild. This is my beef, and I am just going to pour this over my beef. Good. I'm going to do some chicken too, so after this, but not on camera. And this is just going to sit here, guys, and absorb all of this seasoning. You can do it overnight, but that's what makes jerk so delicious and tastes very nice. Look at that color, guys. So you just let this sit and let the beef and the jerk seasoning just fall in love for a couple of hours, and then you can start jerking. Okay, so just let this sit. Okay guys, it's been a while now. Let's see what's happening there. Yes, I shock out there. Let's see. Oh. Guys, you notice that the meat changed color? That's just the job of the seasoning. So I'm going to add this in my pan. Okay guys, there is it. And I'm not going to throw this, guys. Okay guys, I turn on my stove. My stove is on 350. Okay guys, I'm going to leave this for 1 hour and then check back on it. Okay guys, along with the jerk beef, I'm adding 2 corn to the menu. Delicious and nice. Okay guys, 1 hour in, and this is the water that it sweats. So I'm going to remove this water and put it back in the oven for the finishing touch. Okay guys, along with the jerk beef, I'm going to fry some nice yellow hot breadfruit, and I'm using the roasting type of breadfruit. See how it's nice, guys? Yes. So I'm going to cut them in small slices like this. Take out the heart, peel it, put salt and black pepper and fry. Okay guys, this is black pepper and salt mixed together, and I'm just going to sprinkle it over the breadfruit. I'm just going to fry the breadfruit just like this, both sides. I'm do the same. Okay, let's fry. Okay, on my frying pan, turn on my stove. Vegetable oil. Make sure your oil is well hot, guys. Alrighty, guys, let's fry. Okay, guys, take a look at this, guys. Jerk beef. Look how it's looking, guys. Let me take it up, let you see. You see it? This is jerk beef. You see how it's juicy? That's how it's done, guys. As a matter of fact, let me cut a piece and show you guys. Let me get my knife here. Set this aside. Take this piece. Look at that, guys. Look here. You see how the knife easy. This is gonna be good, guys. Look at that, guys. Cook inside out. Man. So let me share. So there you have it, guys. My nice jerk beef with fry, breadfruit, and corn. And if you want, you can add a little ketchup at the side just to eat with the beef. Delicious and nice, guys. Believe me when I tell you. Just like this. Just like that, guys. Delicious and nice. Now earlier, if you notice that I did not add any salt in my jerk seasoning, now it is because of this reason. When I'm frying the breadfruit, I sprinkle salt and pepper on it. So I just give it a balance. One with salt, one without salt. For me, salt is good, but not that good. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I am going to have a nice time here, guys. Really and truly. Let me taste this before I go. It's delicious, guys. Try this sometime, guys. It's very nice. But guys, that's all I have for you today. Thanks for sticking around. Thanks for always supporting. Thank you guys for all your love. Until next time, guys, remember, always put God first. Peace, and I am out. See you guys in the next video.